Okay, y'all, so this refrigerator is a mess, it's crowded, and it just simply lacks functional organization. So we're about to fix that right now.
The price of matches is set. My brother name is $10. Stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate. She wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey, 2 sprints to Quebec. Charlie, boy, mon bec. They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the Met. You know I gotta bring the set. You know I gotta bring the G block. You know I gotta bring the D block. Cause you know how sticky it get. Hey, you know how sticky it get. You know how sticky it get. You know how sticky it get. Love how I make it. You know how sticky it get. Hey, yo, hey, bring them girls to the stage. Cause somebody's getting paid. Free big slime out the cage. Shorty try to play it cool, but now she wish she would've stayed. Cause every song that I made, just bring it like I got engaged. Blowing guys I wouldn't trade. From the cradle to the grave. What up, got me on a wave. Yeah, got me on a wave. Couple hits, now you brave. You niggas better behave. All that pumping up your chest. But I talk about the best. Cause you know how sticky it get. 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 Love how I make it. You know how sticky it get. Hey, yo, hey, bring them girls to the stage. Cause somebody's getting paid. Free big slime out the cage. Shorty try to play it cool, but now she wish she would've stayed. Cause every song that I made, just bring it like I got engaged. Blowing guys I wouldn't trade. From the cradle to the grave. What up, got me on a wave. Yeah, got me on a wave. Couple hits, now you brave. You niggas better behave. All that pumping up your chest. But I talk about the best. Cause you know how sticky it get. 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 She want me to play with that cat. Love how I make it. You know how sticky it get. 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 Love how I make it. You know how sticky it get. Hey, yo, hey, bring them girls to the stage. Cause somebody's getting paid. Free big slime out the cage. Shorty try to play it cool, but now she wish she would've stayed. Cause every song that I made, just bring it like I got engaged. Blowing guys I wouldn't trade. From the cradle to the grave. What up, got me on a wave. Yeah, got me on a wave. Couple hits, now you brave. You niggas better behave. All that pumping up your chest. But I talk about the best. Cause you know how sticky it get. You know how sticky it get. You know how sticky it get. You know how sticky it get.
Can't keep running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. I'm hurting my ways.
You know how sticky it get. You know how sticky it get. You know how sticky it get. You know how sticky it get.
So as you can see on the top shelf, I have my egg crate, and then I have my butter dish on top of that, and I have my excess butter behind that. Then I have my milk that I put into these jugs, and I actually went back later and added some additional same type jugs but in a different color, and added the juices into those. The next shelf we have, of course, our bottled water and bottled teas and bottled juices, and we also do add canned drinks there as well when we do have those on hand. Then I place all my jarred condiments on this shelf here. I'm actually looking for some type of better organization idea for this. If you have any ideas, please let me know. Now for this bottom space, if you noticed before, this was a big open space because one of my components is missing. I actually removed it, so I needed a more functional use for that such big space. So I used the little lifters to add a little bit of height and more dimension and more space to actually add things. And then I put those little bins on top, so now I have space on the bottom as well as on the top. And here's the door organization, and as you can see on this shelf here, I have my bigger condiments, and I actually went back later and did something more aesthetically pleasing for these condiments here. If you want to see how this turned out, then leave me a comment down below. Please like, subscribe, and come back for more.